Can you show Mommy how you eat the soup? The big spoon? Yeah. You're such a big boy. Two spoons. Two spoons. Got your truck spoon and Mommy's spoon? Oh, I can't eat soup like that. It's so funny. Yay! Big boy! Scoop. Say good. Uh-oh, do you need some help? You like the little Campbell soup, baby. Sip, sip. Ah. Is that good? Little sip, little sip. Is that okay? Little sip, little sip. Oh my. Why don't you take a drink of your milk? Good boy. Oh, noodles. Yummy, yummy. Hey, what happened to your spoon? Did you give up? There it is. Well, that's not how it works. Scoop. You almost ate that all. Gone. All done. Good boy. What? Hey. Excuse me. That's not all done. Give it to Mommy. Okay, all done.